What's up, guys? Look, it's Empire, some more Slime Rancher. So we're gonna be jumping in to a match here, and I'm super hype. A match? I'm an idiot. We're gonna be jumping into the worlds here. And today we're gonna be getting a couple things done, and then tomorrow we're gonna have a lot of Overwatch videos for you guys, a lot of gigantic videos. I have a lot of cool stuff planned for you guys, so hopefully that can work. A lot of comp and stuff we're going to be doing in Overwatch. Gigantic, we have a lot of cool stuff. And even some Battleborn content for those of you who like that. So a lot of cool stuff to come to the channel this weekend. Hopefully you guys will enjoy. I'm ready to make some videos for you guys. I haven't made a lot of videos in a while. But we are over the thousands now, which is just ridiculous, honestly. Thank you guys so much for that. I really just want to thank you guys for that. I want to thank you guys for so much. Like we've gotten almost 1,000 views in 13 days, which is just ridiculous. Straight up, guys. It's honestly just absurd that we've gotten this many, and I love it, and I don't want to stop loving it. I'm really happy that you guys are enjoying my content, even just a little bit, even if you think it's crappy and that's why you watch it, whatever the reason is. I love you guys for it. So in today's video, we're going to be popping some Gordos. And we're going to be trying to get some new vegetables for some of these other slimes. But there's a good amount of Gordos that I want to pop. So, I say we should get into that now. So if everyone else is good with that, and that's the plan. That's what we're doing. So. Are we ready? I guess so. We also have the base level hack, so we can do that. So I think the first thing we're gonna do so let's just take one of these portals that we have to make up some time. We got some carrots being made. Okay. Cuberries are good. So we're not really going after any slimes, we're just going after popping these Largos, and getting some better, not Largos, Gordos, and trying to get some better foods and stuff. So this way we can do the slime science a bit better, because I want to try and get a lot of that stuff done. We had a good amount of Cuberries now. Let's see if we can find some mangoes, because we're going after a honey Gordo first. What? No, what is Gordo? Yeah, okay, I said it right there. Step 1 is honey Gordo. And we're pretty close to Honey Gordo already. So I believe that Honey Gordo is directly up there. Yes, it is. So if we can find some mint mangoes to feed this guy, or if we can go back to base, get some more mint mangoes. There's a good amount of mint mangoes and this guy would burst. God damn it. I don't know if that's going to give a key or a teleporter. I know there was a good amount in the quarry. A good amount of Gordos. That pogo fruit is not developed yet. These are chickens. It doesn't need chickens though. And the honey slimes eat fruit. So mint mangoes do count as double. I don't believe that there's any Gordos in this area right here. Yeah, I want to pop all the Gordos and then I just want to start working on some slime science. I've only popped the Gordo slimes in the home area, I guess you could call it. I haven't popped any of these guys. Carrots don't count. I think I'll just go back to base, grab some mint mangoes, and be good to go. That might be my best plan. So right here we have the equivalent of 15 normal fruit. I'm just waiting for stamina. Alright, so I don't know what's back here. So I'm thinking, just because I'm thinking doesn't mean it's good. How about we do that? Right now, that's gonna put us back a day, but watch this, guys. Oh, damn it. That did not work as planned at all. That backfired. That really backfired. Okay. That really fucking backfired. But, this won't backfire. Or if it does, that'll be really sad. Oh, thank God. Well, thank God that didn't backfire. Oh, those carrots have got to be done now, though. I'm not really worried about those guys. Those guys have a good amount of food. The boom honeys. What I'm really worried about is the other slimes. Everything in the cave and by the lab and stuff. As many mint mangoes as we can save, the better, because I do want to feed them to my stuffs. Also, those honey hunter I have, those could take mint mangoes and give me 2 of each of those. So those are options to play with. If any of you guys know, just please tell me in the comments. But the water that's in those ponds, my ponds, does that water disappear? Do I have to get new water? Or like what? Like how does that work? Yeah, not too many more. Not anything less than 35, I don't think. Really? Huh. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we did give a key. Looks like we got some tar now. So that's one Gordo down, giving us a key. So I need a lot of veggies. What's a rock slime's favorite veg? Heartbeat. Alright, so we have some heartbeats. Okay. Yes, this should be the way back. No, this way. So what we're gonna do is I know a few things. So we're gonna get a few chickens, a few rock slimes, alright, so we're gonna get these heartbeats cooking up. We're gonna get some chickens. We're gonna do all of that, guys. So that's only one Gordo done. We have a lot more to go, but I'll see you all in the next one.